Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat camera on settings. We'll click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We'll click here on apps, then we come to apps window and we will go down to looking for Snapchat app here, and this is window. We'll just go down and to looking for Snapchat here. We'll click here on Snapchat and we come here to this is window. We'll click here on for stop and we'll click here on OK, and we'll just click here on storage. Then we come to a storage window. We'll click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Snapchat app, and it's going to work with you. So you just follow this is and it's going to work with you. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.